Even though we are like tech artists, we're like heavily inspired by the natural world, and it's the systems of like breaking down the natural world through the filter of technology that we're more interested in.
It's like not seeing technology and nature as two very different things, because nature has evolved over thousands of years and has perfected itself in a beautiful and elegant way, and that's what we're also trying to reflect on with this art piece.
Hi, I'm Dennis. I go by the name Non-Linear.
Hi, I'm Yash and I go by Cursorama.
And we're the selected artists for the BMW booth here at India Art Fair 2025.
Sensors are something that we are both excited about.
This is a preview of what the first scene might look like. It's also synced to the music, so you can kind of see how these objects are kind of moving around. We are currently standing at the center stage of the pavilion, which is this interactive floor, which is kind of reacting to us moving around the space. We have these kind of LiDAR sensors that are tracking their motions,
Which spin at a really fast rate.
as you're moving around, you will have kind of the visuals follow you and kind of react to you.
Fun part about making interactive pieces is also that people come in and they play with it and they kind of become a part of the artwork. It's not just passively viewing something and interpreting it.
And sometimes, like people, especially kids, they really try to break the system that you've built.
This piece, Biolume, it's inspired from the world of the deep sea and the bioluminescence phenomena which is there in beautiful creatures and plants that live under the water.
It's great to like get like skeletal data. You can pan around the space and you can get like a 3D data. Basically, it's doing your hand tracking, and if your hand is open and if you do certain movements, and you can like control things on a wall. In the way we've animated all the content here, it's not traditional.
You can codify things like randomness, in which you have to let go of the control of the final outcome.
Like this form that you're seeing, like these trails, I have some loose control over it, but like it's always different when there's someone else moving over it, and that's, I guess, the whole point of working with algorithm. Sometimes there are happy accidents which turn out much more impressive than how you initially envision like your outcome.